Because I remember we all spoke that you look like Twinkle Khanna a lot. So,
Raveena Tandon also.
Raveena Tandon also. Hi everyone. My first guest is a dear friend of mine, Namrita Kalia. Namrita is the founder of a Facebook community, brand evangelist, and a content creator.
Hi, thank you for having me, Prerna.
My pleasure, totally.
And I'm telling you, अगर मैं पहली गेस्ट नहीं होती ना, तो बहुत कलेश होने वाला था.
Namrita was an architect by profession and she quit that to embrace motherhood like many of us. Now she runs a successful Facebook community with 50,000 members. She also pursues her passion to create funny and relatable content and helps brands create with organic creators like her to promote their products and services. So now it's time for some candid bites from you.
Yes.
Tell me the first thing that pops in your mind.
Okay.
Close your eyes. What profession would you be in if not this? And you can't say architect.
Oh, this one is easy. I would definitely be acting. चाहे वो serial में हो, ad में हो, movies में हो. I know भाभी के role मिलने वाले हैं, but yes, I would have been definitely acting some way or the other.
I think you would have rocked that because I remember we all spoke that you look like Twinkle Khanna a lot. So,
Raveena Tandon also.
Raveena Tandon also. They say parenting gets easier with time, and you're a mom of a teenager now. What are your thoughts?
I think I have a quote for this. When your children are younger, you're worrying about diaper changes, and now you're worrying about their life choices. So I think I'm in this constant stage of that I need to protect her from the world, but I want her to learn from her experiences. It's a turmoil.
Yeah.
And it doesn't get easier.
Oh Lord.
It doesn't get easier, guys. It does not.
So share a funny advice that you've received.
Yes, I think when I started this content creation and I formed my community, someone came to me and said कि आपका पति इतना अच्छा कमा तो रहा है, आपको ये सब करने की क्या जरूरत है? One time slap.
So what's your superpower?
I think I thrive in chaos. More challenges, more work, more distractions, and I think I get much more focused.
So what title would you give to your autobiography?
Coffee, chaos, content. I did it my way.
So what's the biggest highlight in the journey of you?
Okay. I think the biggest highlight is rediscovering yourself and also realizing that your voice has a purpose and it can bring along thousands of women, if not more, together.
So describe yourself in 3 words.
3 कम है. Humorous, relatable, expressive. अब चाहे वो drama हो, emotions हो, I can do it all. दिल से.
I'll add drama queen है ये पूरी.
I agree.
Continuing our conversation with Namrita Kalia. So this profession didn't exist 15 years back. How would you describe it to your grandmother so that she understands it?
Okay. I think I will tell her जैसे she's always relied on her village to raise her kids. And she has relied on ads on television to get information about different products. ये ज़्यादा concentrated and ज़्यादा reliable platform है wherein you actually connect with people your age. You come to know about products from people that you can trust. So अब आपका village बड़ा हो चुका है and आप पैसे भी कमा सकते हैं उससे.
So this is my favorite question. As the founder of a Facebook community, do you think Facebook is still relevant?
ये दिल से आंसर करना पड़ेगा. So I have to agree that Facebook is not what it used to be as a platform. It is like थोड़ा सा decline पे है, but communities are not, because communities is the only platform where it is a to and fro. On Instagram, I'm creating and you're consuming. Whereas in communities, if you have queries, and moms have lots of queries, you can ask and get responses from so many others. So yes, platform में थोड़ा बहुत decline hai, but not in communities.
So have you been trolled and how did you manage it?
Yes. So the first time I got trolled, so when your reels go viral, it comes with this downside of getting trolled, and it wasn't easy. You do struggle when there are unknown faces coming at you from all directions, but I realized humor is the best way to diffuse the situation, because if you dig your heels कि नहीं मैं तो सही थी आप गलत हो, it's not going anywhere. Ignore, take a humorous stand, and any engagement is good engagement. तो ये मान के चलो, because trolls is a part of this platform, they will come at you, so just smile.
Absolutely. It's a mixed bag, so we have to
Yeah.
be prepared for it. We are putting ourselves out there after all.
Yes.
So, what advice would you give to new mom creators?
Okay. To all the mom creators out there, and this is from my heart, please don't feel the pressure. There are a lot of people doing a lot of different things, but being a mom is a very, very tough job. So, jo aapse ho sake, do it from your heart. Keep it real, keep it organic, keep it raw. That is what people will relate to.
Absolutely. And try to be consistent as much as your time allows.
Totally.
Where do you see your Instagram and Facebook journey going in 5 years?
According to you, Facebook journey तो खत्म ही होने वाली है. But jokes apart, I have always taken it one day at a time. And I think things are going brilliantly on both platforms. And I think 5 years down the line, where I would want my journey to be is I want to be recognized for my work. कि कोई जा रहा है and they're like, इन्हें कहीं देखा है. नाम याद ना भी रहे, handle याद ना भी रहे, but हाँ, मैं याद रहनी चाहिए. So I want to do work that is rememberable.
That makes me wonder, has it happened with you? Have you been spotted so far?
Yes. My chemist came up to me and he like, "Man, मैं आपकी reels देखता हूँ." I'm like, "Okay, thank you."
Oh, wow. So we have a celebrity here, guys. Namrata Kalia. So thank you so much, Namrata, for joining us for the debut episode.
My pleasure, and it was fabulous. You did a fantastic job.
So we'd love to hear your thoughts on the debut episode and stay tuned for the next one.